video after the knock, tore everything out to see what the hell's going on. Chipped up cam gear, it's missing them all around right here. Not sure what the hell happened there, whether or not that happened in the build. Gashes like that all over the timing belt. Again, I don't know how the hell that happens. No bolts appear to be missing, I don't think. Rubber everywhere. Tensioner, all new. This one obviously looks like it's been buffed somehow. I'm not sure how that happened. Belt shot. Tensioners are probably all shot. I'm just hoping it fixes the knock. If anyone has ideas, let me know.